When you think of a lower carb lifestyle, that's one which prioritizes healthy fats and keeps those carbs and sugars low. You probably think that baked goods are completely off the table. And bread? Well, don't even think about it. But if you are dedicated to a keto, metabolic, or paleo diet, I have great news for you. With this healthier bread recipe, you can actually hit your goals and you can enjoy a good sarnie now and again. Friends, get ready to reintroduce warm, crusty loaves back into your low-carb lifestyle. And there we have it. It's crusty yet fluffy, it's healthy yet delicious, it's pretty awesome sandwich bread. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Thanks so much for hanging out with me and making it. If you did enjoy this recipe video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and also make sure you subscribe to our Metabolic Living YouTube channel. Also, pop on over to social media. We are on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and Instagram over at Metabolic Living, and we post new content each and every day, and we would love to have you as part of our community. Thanks again for hanging out with me and making this delicious bread. I hope you love it. Have a fabulous day, and I will see you all very, very soon in another recipe video.